Welcome to Gig Machine AI training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to use Skill Gig Matcher in Gig Machine AI. Go to the left menu and click on Skill Gig. Here you just need to input your professional profile, and we'll match you with active high-paying gigs that you can fulfill instantly with our AI tools. Input your skills into Skills Arbitrage Matchmaker. You can also use presets if you want. Now select Target Platform. Arbitrage Mode. Now click on Generate Matches. And all of your AI matched gig contracts show in the moments. Just click on your desired gig. And it will open instantly. Now click on Fulfill with AI and it will open in Complete My Gig section, where you can fulfill client requirements seamlessly with AI-powered assistance. You can change gig job title, platform, tools, and client requirements. Now click on Generate Deliverable and your AI deliverable preview is ready. You can export and download it in your desired format. Once done, click on Mark Completed. And you will redirect it to My Deliverables, where you can preview, download, or delete your deliverables. Thanks for watching the video.